Yo, what's going on, guys? Excited for the live stream today? I'm starting the live stream right now in about a minute. Give me 1 second. Just setting a few things up. All right. Give me 1 second. How's everybody doing today? Good morning, grand rising, get money. You guys can hear me? Let me know if you guys can hear me in the chat. All right. Let me know if you guys can hear me in the chat. All right, perfect. So we're gonna do a top-down analysis right now on gold, guys. Grand rising, yes, I can hear you. Okay, the chat's a bit delayed. Don't know what's up with my internet connection right now. Everything's good. Chat's just delayed a bit right now. Okay, so gold's actually setting up in a pretty nice range right now. We're about to catch a breakup, but if we do break above 2037, where we're at right now, you know, the next 30-minute candle, which is at 9 a.m., we could enter this trade. Now, we did catch a small breakout above both SMAs here, and especially above these highs right here. But I want to get the breakout above 2038, 2037, you know, above these lows at least. Because if you start diving into the 30-minute, for example, you know, there's kind of some areas here that are in the way, right? So I want to break above this area here, which would give us, you know, the real breakout. You know, we break above that area, it would be above this support, and you know, that's where the real key level is at. Bro, I'm hyped. Before you send your 1 hour analysis, I marked up the same levels. Congrats. Yeah, you guys are learning, and like I told you guys, it's a very simple strategy. I believe in simplicity. I believe simplicity is key. You know, once you get to know this strategy, all you have to do is rinse and repeat. You know, keep on doing the same thing over and over again, and eventually you're gonna see that, you know, you're gonna get better in trading. Super simple strategy, right, guys? You know, in the 30-minute time frame, we could see that we are trying to break this area right now. You know, buys above 2038 would be super effective. Let me mark it up for you guys. Let me make this a little bit easier for you guys to read. 1 second. Now remember, guys, patience is one of the most important things when trading, right? But yeah, safe buys, I'd say above 2038, and then we can target these levels of like 2048, which would be a 100+ pip move. So I'm very confident in these buys if we do decide to break above. Now, are we even bullish or bearish? You know, that's the thing. We are a bit bearish today, but at least the market did open bullish. So we had a huge bearish candle. All right. Now, when it comes to the sell scenarios or the sells, what am I looking for if we were to take sells in the market? Well, obviously, we would have to sell below both SMAs, and you know, my bottom SMA is around 2030, but we can also see that there's a very clear level below 2029 down here. Now, do I think the market's gonna push down there? Probably not. You know, I don't know. All I can pretty much do is mark up my chart and react to whatever price gives us. But you know, we could see that there's an important key level below 2029, and then our target zones would be 2025 all the way to 2016, which would also give us a pretty nice move. So overall, guys, we're in a range, and I want to catch a breakout, you know, on either side. Let me know if you guys understood that analysis. Super easy, super simple. You would have loved yesterday's move. Super clean buys was caught yesterday. Yeah, but remember, I don't really trade Mondays too much unless I have to. And, you know, thank God I haven't really had the necessity to really be trading like that. Let me see if there's any important news fact. I believe we're in a news event right now, right? No, we're not. January 9th. No news today, guys. Bunch of yellow folders. Nothing crazy. And then we have CPI for the Aussie at 7:30. But that shouldn't impact us at all, guys. So, you know, no reason to worry. But yeah, guys. Looks like we're going to have a great morning. And the breakout's waiting for us. That was a fake out. No impulse taken. No impulse trades were taken. So, you know, we're good. 15-minute time frame. Ooh, the 15-minute does look nice. So, yeah, guys. Above 2038, I'll be looking to take some buys. Just be patient. I'm not in a trade yet, guys. So, patient. But I think it's going to be a quick morning, too. Not in a trade. But I'm just marking up my positions. You know, kind of seeing where I'm going to place my... Not in a trade yet, guys. Patience. This is what I'm looking for, guys. You know, if we finally get the breakout, remember, we gotta have patience. Hopefully we can get some volume and, you know, get in this trade on live stream and hit all TPs. Not in trade yet, guys. Patience. Let me put it in the screen. Not in trade yet. Okay. Could you show me the name of your SMA indicator so I can get into it? So I can get it. Yeah, so it's not a regular SMA. The reason why I have these SMAs is because you got a bunch of SMAs in one indicator. Just go here on indicators, and it's called Simple Moving Averages by Stocks in Box. And then you're just gonna put 8 and 50, and basically deactivate all the other ones. When you get that indicator, it's gonna open up like 10 of them. Just turn off all of them except the first 2. And then for the first 2, you know, just change the colors, do whatever you want with them, but just make sure that the inputs are 8 and 50. Guys, I don't want to enter an impulse entry right now. I really don't. We have 8 minutes till candle closure. At least the 15-minute time frame has to close. I don't want to get faked out because look at what happened here. For example, we had a huge push up, huge wick, and it went back into the range, right? We don't want that to happen, right? We look for quality over quantity. If we miss a trade, the trade flies 100 plus pips, I don't care. You know, I need my confirmations. If I don't get my confirmations, I'm not going into this trade. Remember, guys, you have money on the line, right? This isn't gambling. This is trading. So, the difference is that with trading, you actually have a strategy. And, you can decide whether you want to go into the trade or not based off of the confirmations and confluences that you have in your strategy. And if, you don't have your confirmations, there's no reason why you should be going into the trade, right? All you got to do is have patience. And we got to wait till we have them. Thank you. Just got the indicator. Yes, sir, brother. All right, in 5 minutes we get candle closure. If we close out where we're at right now, we can go into the trade. We'll just have to adjust a few things like our TPs and our stops. But as long as we're above 2038, we're good. Every morning at 8:30 when I do these live streams, it feels like we're going in a war with the markets, with the charts. For you guys that are wondering what is it that I'm drinking, it's pre-workout. I'm telling you guys, I'm going into a war with the markets right now. No, I'm playing, but it's because I'm going to the gym like right after. Damn, gold has to stop flying. Come on, just push down a little bit more, and I would want to enter around that 2038, 2039 level. Like right now where it's at, it's perfect, right? But I would want it to drop a little bit more. We're kind of too high up. We'll just have this. Literally almost about to hit TP1. What is this? We're not even in the trade yet. Yeah, if it closes above 2038, we're buying. But we gotta wait 3 more minutes, which is the 15-minute time frame closure. It's a strong level, guys. It's been a previous resistance in the past multiple times. Market keeps creating new highs, even inside the consolidation or inside the range. And if we can see back to the past, it's been a strong support multiple times here, multiple times been support. This is a fake out manipulation with a news event that was, the other New York session. But overall, it's like, our strongest level right now. So yeah, 100%. If we close above 2038, we're buying. We're coming back to where I would want our entries to be. So that's good. You gotta have patience though. No trade yet, guys. Patience. 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes. don't fold in the last 2 minutes. Watch us not get a breakout and the candle not close above it, and then we just have to wait more. Hopefully gold doesn't do that today. Hopefully we can, you know, catch a quick trade and you know, hit TPs. Come on, just close right now where it's at. That's a good place to close. Come on, just close. Alright, 9 a.m. See the 30-minute real quick. Alright, I'm in the trade, guys. 2038 500. Got in a little bit late, but I'm in the trade, guys. We got the confirmation, candle closure, and it looks like we're about to be very, very bullish. Entered a bit late. Entered at 38 500. We are in profit still, guys. We're about 10 pips in profit already. TP1 is 2040. Yeah, same TPs and everything. Pretty much we were only like 5 pips from our entry. Which, remember what I told you guys. If you can enter a trade, the most I would enter a trade late would be 5 pips, no more than 5 pips. So if you enter at 2038 100, 2038 200, or where it's at right now, you know, you can enter right now 2038 500. You can still enter this trade. $20.40. Sorry, TP1. 20.42. TP2. 20.44. TP3 for about 60 pips. I like this trade. Alright, we're playing it around entry right now, guys. And we have 32 viewers in the live stream. Let's go. Start liking the live stream up, guys. 2038. Yeah, you guys can enter right now. We're literally right at entry, so we're good. Yeah, we're right at entry, guys. I entered a bit late. I entered like 5 pips late. Really would have wished I waited a little bit longer. But we're good. Once we're up 10 or 15 pips, I'll let you guys know and we'll move stops to break even. For now, we're just playing at around entry. And yeah. We're about 5 pips in profit, guys. Let's go. Guys, we're about 10 pips in profit. I don't know why I tried to drop a standard on my challenge and it said not enough money. I had a 10k FTMO and no open trades. That's strange. Maybe try a size smaller, lot size smaller. FTMO probably limits you from going full margin on one trade, or limits you from taking positions that big. Try going 0.50. I don't know, it's been a while since I've traded 10k before, or pretty much anything under 100k. We're in profit, guys. We were like 13 pips in profit, and we're coming back to Dubai. I do believe we're gonna fly, guys. Standard lot on a 10k is too much. Yeah, 100%. What are you trading? Gold? You're trading gold. Yeah, don't throw a 1.0 on a 10k account. I literally throw 3.0s on a 100k account. So what makes you think that a 1.0 on a 10k account is, yeah, that's too much, guys. That's too much. Try with like a 0.50 or 0.25. With 100k, I usually take like 3.0s or 5.0 lot sizes on gold. And then with 200ks, I probably use like 8.0s. Yeah, I'm not a type to put huge lot sizes. I don't like putting my lot sizes too big. Alright guys, we are getting 5 pips in profit. I like what it's doing, you know? We're going up. Yeah, 100% right. Thank God it didn't let me. Yeah. I mean, we're gonna win this trade. It looks like we're gonna win it, you know? We're up 10 pips in profit right now. 11 pips. And TP, what? We're at 18 pips in profit, guys. Musab's to break even, guys. Super volatile. I don't know what's going on right now. Musab's to break even. But it does look like we are about to hit take profit. We're like literally 2 pips away. Yeah, stops to break even, guys. Risk-free trade. We're up like 15 pips in profit. Come on, just hit 2040 already, so you can hit TP1. 17 pips in profit. 18 pips in profit. And TP1 hit, guys. Let's go. Drop some W's in the chat if you made money with this trade. 20 plus pips in profit, guys. TP1 just got smacked. Let's go. Drop some W's in the chat. That's how we do it here. Yes, sir. If you full margined today, it would have gone good for your account. Just kidding. Don't full margin, guys. Always use proper risk management, and that's what's gonna keep you long term in this game. I stacked the trades with a buy limit. Got clocked in at 2037.98. Good for the day. Thank you. Big W's. I am out at TP1. Wish I knew it would really fly. Yeah, I do think it's gonna fly, guys. Like, I honestly believe it can hit 2048 by the end of New York session today. I probably think it's gonna fly all morning, but you know, we just gotta give it some time. If you made your goal, you made your percentage for the day, that's it. You know, be gone. TP1's good. Obviously, don't leave the live stream now once you hit TPs. I have a few people that do that. You know, they just hit TP and then they just leave the live stream. Stay for a while if you guys want. You know, you can chill, chat with us. If you have some questions, you know, I'll help you guys out. Profit, let's go. Beautiful trade setup though. Bro, entré antes al trade. ¿Por qué entraste antes al trade? ¿Por qué no esperaste? How do you use your indicator and how you set it up again? I'm learning while I'm working, lol. How much profit now? 1R. I don't understand what 1R is. And how do you? It's not my indicator, guys. I'm building an indicator right now with some developers, some guys that build indicators are really good at it. You know, we've been back testing our indicators now for, you know, quite some time, for like 2 months. Everything's going good, but I haven't dropped my indicator yet. And yes, I'm dropping an indicator soon, which is literally my whole strategy, but put into one indicator. But I haven't released it yet. The indicator that I'm using right now are just, you know, these SMAs, and you know, they're not mine. It's just an indicator from TradingView. It's just simple moving averages, guys. It's an 8 moving average and a 50 moving average, which helps me identify trend and overall direction of the market. But it's not my indicator. When it comes to my indicator, I'm actually gonna be dropping an indicator, you know, under my name. So yeah. Entré tarde al trade. And Justin, why did you enter the trade early? I told you guys to wait. Remember, that's the most important thing. You gotta wait for the candle closure. If not, you know, you're just taking impulse entries and, you know, you're probably gambling. Don't do that. ¿Por qué entraste temprano? How much profit? Have you made any profit today? Yes, sir, with this trade. I was up 2.5K. Have you made, I hope gold climbs up to that support and resistance level on the 4 hour. Support and resistance level. What level? Yeah, I was up 2.5K on my personal account, wasn't risking too much, and I'm up on all the other prop firm accounts for the people that I'm trading for. Yeah, I have a few challenges that I'm trading for right now, which are just client prop firm accounts. I'm manual trading right now on their accounts. Cuando pusiste el indicador creí que ya estabas dentro, hasta de supuesto escuché dije que esperemos. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna start saying things in Spanish as well, especially when I'm looking for a position or for a trade, just because there are some Spanish viewers in the live stream. So 2047, 2050, 2047, 2050. Yeah, that's my final take profit, my final target zone. I do believe it's gonna go up there. And of course, Nick or Nico, if you've been hopping on my live streams, you already know that at 2048, that 2050 level, there's liquidity. Why? Because it was the top of this previous range. So the market, eventually has to push and climb back up there to grab the liquidity that is in the market up there. So, would it be climbing up there this morning? Probably not. We can't really tell exactly or know exactly when the market is going to do that move. But from what we see and from the price action that we can, look at, there is liquidity at 2050, and that is our final take profit or final target zone. We already understand that the market moves from zone to zone, and we also understand that the market moves looking for liquidity. So if there's liquidity up there and that's our final target zone, what are the odds or probabilities that the market is going to climb back up there and hit our take profits? They're very high. So of course, that is our final take profit zone, and I do believe that the market could eventually, push up there and, give us a 100 plus pip trade. Now, if it doesn't go up there, it's probably just going to wiggle around this area, create more consolidation, push back down, but eventually it has to push up there. Eventually it's going to have to do it. So would it be in this trade? I don't know. I can't tell you. If I knew that 100% for a fact, I would over leverage, throw in 1,000 lots, and become a multi-billionaire right now off of this trade. But of course, I don't know that. Nobody's ever gonna know exactly where the market's gonna go, because of course, you would just enter a trade without a stop loss, go max, lot size, and go crazy. But that's not how the markets work. We are never 100% certain where the market's gonna go, and that's just a fact. Nobody can tell you 100% where the market's gonna go. Nobody knows that. All right, guys. Market pushed back down to our entry, so break even. I'm out of the trade. It gave us a 1-to-1. TP1 was hit, guys. So congrats on this trade. Big W's in the chat, guys. Like up the stream if you can. I'm still gonna be on the stream for a few more minutes, like 10-15 more minutes, just to talk and see if we can enter on another trade, if anything. Yeah, guys, great trade. And I love trading at this time. I used to love trading London because the breakout was always at the same time. Even though we don't get the breakout at the exact same time, like for example 8:30 or 9 a.m., we pretty much get the breakouts at random times in the morning. I still like this time. It's a good time to be trading. You wake up a few hours later, you go to your computer, your trading desk, you can trade. At least the sun's outside, it's in the morning, you make your bag, your money, and you're pretty much done with your day if we make money. So I like this trading time. And we also get NYSE or New York Open. Yeah, it's a nice time to be trading, right? You make your money here in the morning, then that's it. You don't have to look at the charts throughout the day, right? You can pretty much ignore what the market does throughout Asia or New York in the afternoon. You keep on with your day, and that's it. You don't have to be looking at the markets the whole day. You don't have to be trading the whole day. You get your bag at 9 a.m. and that's it. Would you re-enter the same trade if the same confirmation buying momentum, or once you get stopped out for a completely different setup? Okay, so in these scenarios where we were in the trade, we hit TP1, we had moved our stops to break even, and we come back to entry. Usually when I hit TP1, I'm either sometimes getting out on a 1-to-1 because I've already made my goal, which is 1 or 2%, or I'm good with the day, or sometimes I just let it run. I secure some partials, especially if I'm taking 2 trades. Remember what I showed you guys. If I'm risking 2%, I'm gonna risk 1% on one trade, 1% on the other. I'm gonna close out on the trade that I was risking 1%. That way, I'm already securing 1% of the trade, and then I'm letting the other one run with stops to break even. Obviously, I just made 1% with this trade, and I didn't make 2% because it came back to entry break even, so I wasn't able to let it run. But now, what would I do if I were to enter this trade again? I would have to now wait for the next 15-minute or 30-minute candle to close above these highs right here of 2038-700, where last closed. So I would be confident taking this trade again if we get another candle closure at 2039. We just gotta get another high above the previous high. If, for example, we close right now, we close right now at 9:30 right now for the 30-minute candle closure below this previous candle, then that's not a breakout. There's no reason to re-enter this trade. And like you said, we need that buying momentum for us to get into buys again. If we don't get that momentum, or we don't see that there's volatility, or we don't see another breakout above the previous candle, then there's no reason to get into the trade. And then the same thing, stops 20-30 pips, stops to break even once we're up 15 pips, and the same take profits pretty much. Hopefully that answered your question. If not, I'll just repeat it again. For us to re-enter this trade, we won't be entering again at the same area of 2038 because that's no longer a breakout entry, right? Our next breakout would pretty much be above 2038-700, which is where this previous candle closed. So we'll just pretty much be trading price with wherever the price is, last closed. Got it. Thank you for that knowledge. Yeah, 100%. If we don't close above the previous closure, are we still bullish? Not really. We need to have that buying momentum. Remember, us as breakout traders, we're reacting to price. So if we're looking for buys, we got to see that there's enough buying momentum in the market for us to benefit off of. If not, then there's no reason to go into buys. You're pretty much just predicting. And we don't predict as traders. But I'll let you guys know if I get into the trade again or not. Let's just wait for 9:30. There's another candle in 8 minutes. Again, if we close above 2038, at 2039, I'll go into this trade again, risking 1%. But overall, guys, we won the day. We're 1-0 for the morning. Super successful live stream. There might be another trade opportunity. Who knows? Let's just wait those 8 minutes. And also, 9:30 is NYSE open or Wall Street open. So be careful trading. We get a candle closure in 5 minutes. If you missed out on the first trade, you know, no worries. We might be able to catch another trade right now. Five-minute, guys, for candle closure. On the 15-minute, the candle came down and touched the 8 SMA and immediately rejected, leaving a big wick. I'm assuming that's a pretty good buying momentum confirmation. Yeah, so that helps you a lot with your bias, which is bias. If the wick remains above the SMA and rejects the SMA, that's super good, and that's usually what we're looking for. And when it comes to the time where we're gonna place our stops, we usually put our stops below that SMA because we already know that the probability of market pushing back down and breaking below that SMA are very low. So we put our stops below the SMA. But yeah, that's a good confirmation to enter our buys. But not yet, we need the breakout. The breakout is the ultimate and strongest confirmation. Of course, yeah, having a SMA rejection confirmation is good, but the best confirmation you can have is the candle closure. But yeah, I'm glad you noticed that. That's one of the, you know, things I look at when entering a trade. Not to get in the trade, but just as kind of the momentum. I'm like, yeah, 100%. I agree with you. That's a really good thing to look at, especially when you're gonna go into the trade. Two minutes for candle closure. Guys, it doesn't look like we're gonna get a candle closure. Market is just pushing down right now. But we were 1 already in the live stream, so we're good. Yeah, no candle closure, but we did get a SMA rejection. You know, respect the SMA. Also close about these minor levels. I'm pretty sure on the 5 minute, these are like very strong levels. To me, they're minor levels. Not something I would look to get into a trade right now. NY chaos reflecting New York is in the market. Yeah. Remember what I've said about 9:30? It's risky because it's NYSE open. Wall Street just opened. Indices are going crazy right now. Gold as well. So, you know, these next 15 to 30 minutes are probably going to be chaotic. We're good. You know, we made 1% or 2%, whatever it is that you're risking today. And I think we're done with this morning. You know, we're done with the day. We won the day. Super successful live stream. And if I see any confirmations or any other breakouts throughout the day, yeah, I'll send them in my VIP signal room. If you guys want to if you guys want to join the VIP signal room, links in the description below. You know, you guys can join the wait list. I'll accept you guys in the next round when I'm accepting the newer students. You know, I'll be accepting 15 to 20 new students probably next week or the week after. I'll let you guys know when I'm going to be accepting them. But there is a wait list. And, you know, it's only $70 a month. Super affordable. And to be honest, it's probably one of the best signal rooms. Not just because they're my signals, but, you know, you guys have seen the way I trade, the discipline that I have behind every single trade. And that same discipline, you know, I keep it in my signal room. I send 1 or 2 signals a day. Super successful, you know, very consistent. And we're in a win streak right now in the signal room as well. So if you guys want to join it up, you know, link in the description below. For those of you guys who are new on the live streams, my live stream schedule is Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. Completely free, guys. You know, I don't charge for these live streams. They're on YouTube. And I do them so that you guys can learn for free and also make money with me while I'm trading, right? It gets boring sometimes trading alone. I'd rather trade with you guys and at the same time help you guys become better traders. So Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays, 8:30 a.m. Eastern. I trade New York. I trade gold. You know, if you guys haven't yet, make sure to like the live stream and subscribe as well for more content every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. I appreciate you guys who joined the live stream, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Let's go, guys. Peace.